Tired of your numbered lists breaking every time you edit? Learn the one-click fix that keeps them perfect forever. Let me show you exactly how to set up numbered lists in Google Slides so they behave themselves, even when you're making changes on the fly. I'm going to walk you through this from scratch, step by step. First, we'll open your presentation and pick out a text box. Then I'll point you to the button in the toolbar that does all the heavy lifting. From there, it's just typing and pressing enter, and you are done. No more manual numbering that falls apart the second you add a sentence. So let's start. Open up the Google Slides presentation you're working on. This could be a brand new slide deck or one you've been wrestling with for a while. Just get it open on your screen. Now, here's the first real step. You need a text box to hold your list. If you already have one on the slide that you want to use, just click inside it. See that blinking cursor? That's your starting line. If you don't have a text box yet, don't worry. Go up to the toolbar. Click the icon that looks like a square with a T in the middle, or just go to Insert and choose Text Box. Then click and drag on the slide to draw yourself a box. Make it as wide or as tall as you like. This is where your list is going to live. Now that you've got your text box ready and you can see that cursor blinking away, look up at the toolbar. You'll see a bunch of icons. There's the bold button, the italic button, the font dropdown. But the one you want looks like a little list with numbers next to it. It might be right next to the bullet list icon. Just click that numbered list button. When you do, you'll see a small number 1 appear right where your cursor is. That's the magic happening. Now, whatever you type next is officially item number 1 in a proper automatic list. All right, go ahead and type out your first item. It could be a step, a point in an argument, part of a timeline, anything. Hit the space bar after the number and just type it in. And here's the really important part. Once you've typed that first item, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Look what happens. The cursor jumps down to a new line and it automatically shows the number 2. It's already waiting for you. You don't have to type a single number yourself. Just keep typing your items and pressing Enter after each one. Every time you hit that key, Google Slides adds the next number for you. Now, say you need to go back and add something between item 2 and item 3. No problem. Just click at the end of item 2, press Enter, and boom, the list renumbers itself instantly. Everything stays in perfect order. No broken sequences, no manual fixing required. This is the kind of small thing that saves you so much time and frustration, especially in a big presentation. And that's it. Seriously. You now have a clean, professional, auto-updating numbered list in your Google Slides presentation. It stays perfect no matter how many times you edit it. From messy manual numbering to this one-click solution, you've just leveled up your slides. Give it a try on your next deck and see how nice it feels to not fight with your numbers.